Hello and welcome to New This Week on artsloud.com, the sound of independence. Today on the show, I have with me a beautiful and talented singer and songwriter who holds a master's degree in psychology. Wow. Well, we've heard her voice in various movies like Luck, Anjana Anjani or Devdi, but it was her debut song in the movie Fashion Marjama which mesmerized the world and made her fans forever. Ladies and gentlemen, today on the show, she's here to launch her first ever single on artsloud.com. Please welcome Shruti Pathak. Shruti, welcome to the show. You're looking absolutely gorgeous. You know, before I would talk about your music, I would like to talk more about you and your styling. Wow.
Thank you.
Okay, you know.
That's a compliment.
Of course,
Always.
yeah. So how does it make you feel? Does it make you feel nobody's commenting on my singing?
No, it doesn't always happen like that because usually people compliment more on the singing and then they look at the other side of it.
You're one of the most beautiful looking singers we have in the industry today.
Wow,
you know that?
That's sweet. Thank you.
We did a survey and you were ranked number 1.
Wow.
Yeah.
No, that's super.
Yeah, you know.
Like whoever you interviewed.
No, there were 6 other people below you, 5 actually, you know, below you. You were number 1, second was Vishal, third was Shekhar, then Shankar, Ehsan and Loy.
Are you serious?
Of course, we did a survey. Jokes apart.
I like them all.
Amazing
Whoever
stuff.
voted for me.
Amazing stuff. Tell me something. You know, the name of Shruti has something to do with music, right?
That is
But what's the
right.
exact meaning of your name?
अगर उसको एकदम डिटेल में मैं आपको बताऊं तो जो 2 नोट्स होते हैं उसके बीच में भी काफ़ी सारी फ्रीक्वेंसीज जिसको कहते हैं वो फ्रीक्वेंसी को श्रुति कहते हैं सो इन कर्नाटिक क्लासिकल म्यूज़िक श्रुति में लोग गाते हैं जबकि हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल म्यूज़िक में श्रुति का इतना प्रयोग नहीं किया जाता है दे फोकस मोर ऑन द नोट जबकि कर्नाटिक में इट्स यूज्ड
So your parents knew that you would become a singer or you would have a life to do with music?
No, they had no clue. You know, in fact, there's nobody in my family who's even close to singing, apart from my dad, who sang a little bit in his college times and all that. But yeah, I don't belong to a musical family.
So who gave you this name?
My father.
Your father?
Yes.
And it's because, you know, he had something to do with music?
Not just that. Also because my sister's name is Mukti.
Okay.
There was a story behind this. When my dad found out that he had a first baby girl, he thought that, you know, जीवन में सबको at the end of the day what you crave for is mukti.
Mukti.
So that's why he called her Mukti. And then when he knew that the second, you know, that was me, तो श्रुति के बिना मुक्ति नहीं मिल सकती है. That's why.
क्या बात है. What a thoughtful, what a
It
deep
was a very
thought.
thoughtful, you know,
insight.
naming ceremony.
Okay, but you know, you would be surprised that I was doing some research and I saw, or the word Shruti in Urban Dictionary means hot, naughty, and someone who has an attitude to go with it.
Okay, I'm sure that's made up.
Okay, hold on. I am going to show you. I knew that you would say that.
This is unbelievable.
I am telling you. Okay, just check this out. You know, I'm not making it up. You can Google it up. Just type meaning of the name Shruti, and the second option you will get is the Urban Dictionary. Okay, just check for yourself. Just check the last line. Just check for yourself.
Wow. So I'm living up to my name.
So you're living up to your name, yeah? You know, ये सिर्फ संगीत का दिखावा है. मैं बहुत ही चुलबुली हूँ. So you're naughty, right?
Yeah, very much.
Very naughty. Very naughty. Yeah? How did music happen to you when no one in your family had anything to do with music?
It was actually my father. As I said, he was very fond of music. He understood music. He's never learnt. He'd never, you know, he just had an ear for music.
Right.
Is why he always pushed me to learn it. So I've been learning since I was a kid, and when I grew up and I was in college, he was the one who pushed me to pursue music as a career.
When was your first encounter with the audience?
That was in class 3. When I ran on stage. It was a singing competition, but because I was sick and I couldn't make it to the selection rounds and all that. But on the day of the final competition, I went to the school and I realized that everyone was participating in the singing competition and I wanted to be a part of it, but obviously they didn't let me because I wasn't around in the previous rounds. So I didn't listen to my teacher. I just barged onto the stage and I said, I just want to sing 2 lines, that's all. And, and I won the competition, by the way.